Alrighty, gonna have to look at a few things here. Got in recent days. First and foremost, we got a couple of stickers from Grampie's workshop. He's up in Canada. Got another one here too. Pretty soon we'll look at the one we got. He can send me one of two of each of these, so I got on the thing. And then we're going to get into more detail on that when we get to up there. But I say he's from Canada, but he's got a kind of a diversified channel. It's not kind of like mine. There's no one specific thing. He works on different things and all that. I'll leave a link down there so you can go check him out. Pretty nice young man there. Well, I say young man, he's probably younger than me, so that doesn't get him younger. One other thing we did, we got these little duckbill valves for that. Where did I get it open now? I always have a problem with little bags like this here. Anyway, and most of you know what they are, but if you don't, we'll show you one of them. They're like this, and we got an opening on this end. Well, both of them got opening, but one of them's a valve. It'll only go through one way and not come back. That goes on that little chainsaw. Then another thing, I know I've got that electric impact that they give me for a demonstration. That's a good one. But sometimes they need a really heavy duty one. And I went down to Harbor Freight and got this one. I looked on the internet, they did a comparison of that and a snap-on, and they are so close you can't tell a difference in the car, except that the price is about this one with a coupon was $130 something. I don't know what they are. Snap-on, you're buying their name. It's like a Cadillac or anything else. Mostly buying the name is what they're doing. It must be any better than the rest of it. Where you got the box and all that. But anyway, I thought I'd go ahead and get that since they had a 20% coupon on it. They say they're not running over 90 pounds, but man, that one old one I got no crap, and I mean, the pressure goes up to 150, and I usually build way up so I get more power. But so I don't know, well, might well regulate it or not. They did send a little bottle of oil with it too. All right, now what we're gonna do here, we're gonna move this table out of the way. Oh, get over there, you. We're gonna go over and look at our sticker board here. See what we got going on there. Let me see. I need to move this thing up a little bit. Just disregard the junk. Yeah, that's my walnut cracking setup. I finally got them all done. Got to move that back out here. All right, now let's see if we can see what we got here. I don't know. Here, move it up just a little bit. There. Let me see. Let me move this chair out. Boy, I'm bouncing you all around. Okay. Let's see what we got here. There's everybody's stickers. Pappy's Corner sent me a new sticker. The one I had before, I've been scrubbing around there and kind of messed it up. He's up in the corner up there. And I put his new one over top so it looks better. I won't go through and name everybody because maybe you can see them. I hope you can. Here's Grampie's workshop, the newest one, and this one. Unfortunately, this guy here started a music channel, but unfortunately, he's a close friend of mine. He passed away with cancer, so he's still on our board. Anyway, maybe you can see who owns what everybody's things are. Let me see if I can move in just a little closer without messing things up. We'll do a little pan around here, so you can see your sticker on here. Keep an eye on everybody's stuff. I don't have too many. I haven't been getting very many stickers lately. But anyway, now you can see your sticker on there. This one down in the corner here, that isn't someone's sticker. That's my niece and her little boy, but she sent that to me. He has a little kind of a medical issue, so not bad, but so he sees recognition on there. All right. I think that's about everything we got for right at the moment, and we'll finish this video up here in a little bit. Alrighty, let me see what we got going on here. Yeah. Alright, now we're going to attempt to put this little valve in here. It's supposed to be for this size thing, so get my specs out here right quick and see if I can find a pair of pliers on my mess over here. There, this will work, I think. Alright, so I'm trying to make one here out of this little piece of hose, but it didn't hold up. Get a hold of that thing. There, that's that. This thing looks too big to me. It is too big. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to get a drill and drill it out a little bit. That's work. So, let me see here. Alright. That's kind of a dumb deal. That's supposed to fit this very motor, but don't. You know, sometimes you get stuff on eBay and it ain't quite right. Okay. Alright. Let's see if we can have a malfunction here. This is supposed to be the correct size according to my drill gauge. We'll see. Now, let's see if this is right here. Well, we need more light on the subject. Probably can't get no more light on the subject. Let me get over closer. Turn this over here. And see how we do here. Not too bad at this. Oops, now keep bouncing that. Let's see what we got here. I don't want to make it bigger, but yeah, let's see what I got here. It'll go in there. Get on in there, you. Up, hopped out. Two things. You got a auger out. Get that little screwdriver. There's that. First thing first. Second thing second. Back. Put it in here. Push it in like this, I guess. Push it in like that. Well, it's in there. Now, if I tip that up in the house there, find out if I've got a leak. If it does leak, my wife is going to chew me out on one side and another because she don't appreciate the smell of good gas. Sometimes women are that way. But anyway, I don't think it worked. Get back on there. Oh yeah, it turned over good. This in here. This thing. Well, I just did. There's a battery in here. Both the batteries are virtually dead, so they're not this little bit. Not enough room to work. You want to do a short one screw anyway, but I can find that. That's just a little 4-thread plastic job. Yeah, go. There's that. And little handlebar goes in here. Something like this. Boy, get it there. And then these screws. Of course, I'm not going to start here either because I have done that in the past. And hours later, wife comes and says, "What does that funny smell? You been starting stuff in here?" Yeah, I have. I said, "Well, I don't think y'all do that. It smells too bad." So, all right. Back when I was by myself, though, I wasn't too particular. I had one big old 16 horsepower Johnson engines in here on a coffee table, and worked on overhaul the whole thing. I don't remember starting it, but there is a certain amount of smell to the engine, you know, the oil and the gas and everything else. And then I had a 4-speed Muncie transmission part on my kitchen table, and I never ate the table anyhow. So it's better than being outside in the cold, you know. So if you're not tickler, you can do a lot of stuff. Well, that's enough of this. We got it on there. Yeah, I don't want to start. I got one more screw in here. I left it outside or dropped it or something. Who knows what that. All right, well, that's just a few little odds and ends on here. Nothing much value. So we'll get back at it sometime later on. We got something better to do.